Remember how I painted this with my mirror shifters last week? Well, things got crazy. I mean, look at this, and this, and this. Well, let me back this up and show you all the steps to getting this amazing opalescent effect. Let's just look at that one more time. So the first thing I did was to continue covering this entire piece with my new mirror jewels, and I blended them together in my last video so you could see the infinite amount of colors that you can get. But wait, I had to take it even further. Hi, I'm Tanglewood Sue. Now, the mirror jewels don't shift, but they have this really intense, beautiful jewel tone. But I thought to myself, what if I put my Tanglewood Sue-per Shifters on top of the mirrors? I have to say, this was my most successful experiment ever. So here is specifically what I did and why it matters. So I took one super shifter and I put it over a corresponding color and the opposite color. Would you look at that? Oh my God, that's my favorite effect. Okay, this is why this is important. Most of my shifters work best over black or very dark colors. The exception would be the nudies that can work over anything. But admittedly, this has been the drawback of my shifters, but all of that has now changed. Because if you take a shifter and you put it over, let's say, a pink or a red, unless it has pink or red in the base, it's gonna look splotchy. It just doesn't work. That's why this is a game changer. Because now I can put my super shifters over any color that I have mirrors for. Why does it work? I can't tell you. Is it because it's mica on mica? Is it because of the way it refracts because they're both metallic? I honestly don't know, and I honestly don't care. All I can tell you is that right now you can take your Tanglewood Sue-per Shifters and they can go on any of the mirrors. And you can also use any of the super shifters. In this video, I used chromatics, I used supers, I used super dupers. I think I used a chrome. Yeah, I think I used a little bit of everything. Can I tell you exactly which color I was using over which color? Probably not, because y'all know I get into this crazy manic flow. I did take the time after to put together some of my favorite combinations for you, and those are in the upcoming newsletter. So make sure you're on my newsletter so you can get all of those. I mean, check this out. This is blush. And I'm putting Dragon Empress on top. That's green on top of pink, which would normally make brown, but it's not making brown. It's making opal. It's making me happy. So how can you achieve this effect? Here's how you do it. Grab your mirrors, and we have a sample pack, and we have new colors coming out. Yay! Okay, but grab your sample pack and put your mirrors on, then buff, and then put another coat and get so that your mirrors are pretty solid. So now that you have your base layer, just grab your favorite super shifters and test and experiment and see what you get, and show me on my Maximalist Facebook group page. Please, I want to see every combination. Hopefully you can see the difference as I go up this carved piece, and you will see what happens when you buff, because that's where the magic happens. That's where all the colors gel together and you get that rich shine. And that's basically where I started getting this opal effect. What do you say, kiddos? You ready to give it a try? I promise the dopamine rush will be out of this world. Do you already have a favorite? Oh my gosh, I can't even decide myself. Anyway, I gotta run because I've got to go paint a toilet. You guys have fun and show me what you make.